Yeah, so this was a dip tube case, the dip tube. So a dip tube is something that goes into your hot water heater and is able to ensure you can infuse it with hot water or cold water. You can regulate the temperature. My father-in-law called me one day. He had just bought this new house. And he noticed that when he was turning the faucets on or the taps on, that there was this weird substance coming through the taps, and he couldn't figure out what it was. He then started talking to the neighbors, and they were having the same issue. So his idea was to sue the home builder to get the to go get the pipes cleaned or whatever. And he came to me to do it because he knew that at that time, me and my old partner had just started our law firm. We were kind of starving young lawyers, and he brought this to us. And we had a little bit of time on our hands, so we were able to do our research. And we were able to tap into all these resources and plumbing resources all over the country and discover that this just wasn't located to one little neighborhood. This was nationwide. So we were able to determine what the source was. We were able to get one of these hot water heaters. We were able to extract the defective tube, and we had the tube tested. And basically what happened was when the tube came into contact with water at a certain temperature, it flaked off. When it flaked off, it got into the plumbing, got flushed through the system, caused all sorts of issues. We had a house, I think, in Pennsylvania that had to be completely replumbed. And it was just a huge job because it was, in a very affluent neighborhood and quite an undertaking. So we filed this case as a nationwide class action. And what we were able to discover in discovery was that there was a company that manufactured dip tubes. One of, I think, maybe two companies in the country that manufactured these plastic tubes. To save money, they changed the polymer to save 0.0001 cent per tube. These dip tubes cost about 10 cents each. So they changed the polymer to make the process cheaper for them to manufacture. When they changed the polymer, they didn't take into account what was going to happen under certain temperatures of hot water. And this company was based out of, I think, Washington. That turned into a huge nationwide class action. And the case was Heilman v. Perfection et al. And it was an interesting case. And my father-in-law was very happy with the outcome because we got him all taken care of. We got a new plumbing, and he was our class representative as well. So it turned out well. And I'm still married to his daughter, so that's great.